In this experiment, we will use a fuse to prevent too large a current from flowing through a circuit. Your teacher will set up the circuit as shown. Switch on the power supply. Slowly increase the current through the circuit. How does the brightness of the bulb change? Observe the fuse carefully. What happens to the fuse? Your teacher will then connect the bulb to the power supply set at a low voltage. Does the bulb light up? Can you explain the change in the brightness of the bulb in the previous step? In this experiment, when the current increases, the brightness of the bulb increases. When the current becomes too large, the fuse melts and breaks the circuit. Therefore, the bulb goes out. However, the bulb is not damaged. It is protected by the fuse. When it is connected to the power supply set at a low voltage, it lights up again.